Hey guys, it's Ashley with Pugs and Pearls, and today we're going to do a cheetah nail art tutorial. First, we're going to take a base coat, which is the Beauty Secrets from Sally's Beauty. For polish today, we are going to be taking the Lights Lacquer New Your Nails But Better collection. I kind of have a range of light to dark nail polish, and I will list all of the names in the link below so you guys can see which polish is which, but I just kind of have a nice range of browns. So to start off with, we are first going to take our Seche Vite on top of that nail polish. I used 2 coats of the nail polish, and I just used 1 coat of the Seche Vite to kind of lock in that manicure and also give us a good base for stamping. As soon as we've got all of that top coat on, we are then going to take a nail art barrier. This is from Uber Chic. It's also called nail tape, and this has kind of got like a milky kind of holographic consistency. You just paint it around your nail and it will dry clear when it's actually ready. Next, we're going to be taking a nail stamping plate from Uber Chic Beauty as well. This is the warm-blooded plate, so you can see it has a nice variety of tiger, giraffe, leopard, cheetah, as well as some elephant skin textures, which I think is really, really cool. I really like this plate, and I think it's a really high-quality plate from Uber Chic Beauty. Next, guys, you need a clear stamper. These are great just to kind of be able to see through what you're actually stamping and for placement on your nail. For stamping polish, we're taking a Moyu London Whiskey Sour polish. This is a great like bronzy chrome shade. And so to start, we're just going to start laying down that stamping polish on top of the image about halfway. We're going to take a scraper card at a 45-degree angle and just swipe. Press straight down with your stamper and then just align it over your nail and press and rotate with a light pressure. As you guys can see, the image stamped perfectly on the first try. Again, you can see it close up here and it looks really good, and I used the smallest pattern on my tiny nail, on my pinky nail. So next, to clean your plate, you're going to want to take Beauty Secrets Pure Acetone as well as some nail pads. And I like these particularly from Sally because they have a rough side as well as a plastic side so that you're not going to ruin your manicure in between cleaning up your nail plate before you do other stamping. And again, I'm just using the different patterns here from this plate because there's quite a few different like cheetah and leopard spot patterns, and I'm trying to just kind of align it with the size of my nail. The bigger the nail, the bigger the pattern. Again, swipe that, polish, and then just press straight down and rotate and pull up, and it comes off, like I said, really smoothly, really, really great. Transfers pretty perfectly, actually. And again, I'm moving on to a slightly bigger pattern here, and again, just on a bigger nail, going to align that up. And I'm just going to continue that throughout the manicure as we get to bigger and bigger nails, just doing a little bit more of the different leopard pattern or cheetah pattern, really a little bit of both here. So as you can see, again, it's stamping really, really nicely. And again, just making sure that you're moving quickly, but also, you know, taking time to make sure that you're aligning it up. So once we kind of have that stamping on our nails, the next step we're going to do is kind of pull off that nail tape. I'm using my nail nippers just to kind of pull it off. This is not my favorite nail tape. It did take a little while and it was kind of hard to peel off, but once it got going, it was fine. Next, we're going to do cleanup. So I'm going to take this nail vial as well as this cleanup brush. This is an e.l.f. Concealer brush, but I use it to clean up around my nails, just get any excess polish that might be around left from stamping. And then once that's done, we are going to lock in the manicure with another layer top coat of that Seche Vite. This is just going to make everything glossy. It's going to make your manicure last a little bit longer. And again, provide a nice shine to your nails. It's one of my favorite top coats ever. And guys, once that's on there, this is the finished look. This was a super easy, super quick one. Again, you can change it up with doing kind of like a gradient of different colors. And I hope you guys enjoyed. If you liked this, I'm going to leave my Instagram handle as well for Pugs and Pearls, where I post all of my nail art. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys!